And good afternoon, Hail Stalkers. This is meteorologist Heather Kay with your Monday, June 1st forecast. This afternoon we do have some instability up in the northwestern part of the country. It's going to be about moderate, and the moisture it's pretty high for today as well, and the shear I'm saying it's about at a moderate level. Now looking at our area of concern today, we do have a low pressure that is way up into Canada near the Canadian-Montana border, and there's a cold front associated with it as well as a warm front. And as we get into this afternoon, we can expect this system to move to the south-southeast, and it will enter an area of instability. And as we get that afternoon heating, we could get some severe storms to develop and some larger hail. Now I'm expecting the hail to not really get anything over 2 inches. That largest hail will be stretching from the western part of North Dakota, maybe the northern part of South Dakota westward, going into Montana, parts of Wyoming, as well as into Idaho. And we could also see some smaller hail going all the way down into the panhandle of Nebraska, western Kansas, the panhandles of Oklahoma and Texas, and even eastern Colorado, and this does include the Denver area, although the chances there are still pretty low. Some of the cities that we are looking at for today for those hail chances: Billings, Montana, I think will have the best shot for hail today. The largest hail will be at about 2 inches in diameter. Chances about 20% or so. The winds will be at about 60 miles per hour. Moving on to Rapid City, South Dakota, I think the most instability will be to the north of the city, but there's still a chance for the city itself to see some hail. The largest hail possible here will be about 1.5 inches in diameter. Chances are only about 15%, with those winds being maximized at about 60 miles per hour with any storms that do develop in the area. Moving on to Denver, like I said before, I think most of the activity will be east of the city, but we're not going to rule out some of those storms if they do form off of the mountains and drop some hail in the city. The largest hail will be about 1.5 inches. The chances only about a 15% chance here, with those winds at about 60 miles per hour. If you have any questions, you can always contact us at 855-334-4245, or you can email us at info@hailtrace.com. I hope you all have a great day.